Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to generate a meme with AI in 3 simple steps. Get ready to dive into the world of meme making with the incredible power of AI. Crafting memes has never been simpler. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Make sure you've got your super meme account ready to roll. Once you are all set, it's time to tap on Theme Memes. Step 2. Let's add some flair to your meme. Choose a theme that resonates with you. Let's say it's cool. Type it in and watch the magic unfolds before your eyes. Step 3. It's all about style. Browse through our extensive template library. Or if you are feeling extra creative, upload your own image. If a template catches your eye, go ahead and select it. And that's it. Hit the generate button and lo and behold, you've got yourself a meme that captures the essence of your chosen theme. So whether it's for school, work, or any other theme, crafting memes with AI has never been easier. Just 3 steps and you are a meme making maestro. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.